I just finished this vintage 1971 Reuge double singing birdcage. A rather rare case design. It's actually, so this is real Capodimonte hand-painted porcelain, and so there's a Capodimonte porcelain ring around the entire base. There's also Capodimonte top piece, very fancy case. It even has little cabochons over the screws that attach the case to the base. And so the cage Capodimonte would have been made in Italy, of course. It's appropriately marked. I fully serviced this Reuge singing bird cage. So everything's been cleaned, adjusted, and lubricated. Birds are very bright and colorful. Let's hear it play. Both birds animate flawlessly. They open and close their beaks, they flap their tails, they rotate their heads, and their entire body rotates. I'm going to switch to the pause mode. It's always a good test to check the integrity of the mechanism and the bellows. The bellows are in perfect condition, very long pause. Bear with me. Really amazing condition considering this is from 1971. Do a 360 as the pause mechanism is in play. I'll switch back to continuous mode. So in summary, a vintage 1971 Reuge double singing birdcage with a rare and very fancy Capodimonte style case with very colorful birds, and it works flawlessly. Turn it off. That's the air escaping through the bellows, which is normal. Take care.